phone call with this mama dog. We've got to take her, relocate her to the shelter. There we go. Okay. Tray is open. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to do another live video in about 5 minutes. We're taking her to the shelter. Stay tuned. Okay, alright. This guy's itching away. Oh, we got needles? Nah. Alright guys. We've just bring this mama here. These guys are going to bark her a little bit until they accept her. They're going to put her on her a bit. Unfortunately, that's how it works. This is what she's got to go through. She's a bit frightened, yes. These guys are just going to bark at her a little bit more. And then she's going to feel like, yes, you're going to feel like it's all right to be here. Yep. I know it's hard. I know it's hard. Where's her babies? Is that her baby? Okay, so that's one of her babies there, guys. That is one of her babies. So now that she's seen her baby, there we go. There we go. Child meets mother. Look at that. Look at that excitement. Okay, don't jump. Don't jump. All right. So these guys are all just standing around. Is there anything in here? So what happened today, guys? We got volunteers to come out, put some signs here. Lütfen mamaları yere dökmeyin. Please don't throw food on the ground. I'm gonna give these guys. Huh? This one's trying to. Oh, that's cute. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Is there any dogs at the back, G? Look at this guy. You've gone better. You're growing some hair now, aren't you? Look at his face. This guy had no hair on him before. It was a lot worse. Tail's down, bit sick, bit crook. Alright, so today Mess is gonna do a mix. Mess is gonna do a mix for us today. Comes all the way from Sydney to do a mix. From Mounty County. From the area. Oh, you're starting to get some love hearts. Okay. Alright, mate, I'm gonna do a needle for you soon. There we go. There we go.
Hey. That's cheating. It's cheating. Just two? Yeah, just two. Oh, yeah. We need the
you gotta do it with a bit of love, huh?
Smells like heaven.
Yummy.
There it is.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. That takes a lot of biceps and forearm strength to do, guys. All right. Yes. Her mouth's gone watery.
Enough?
That's it, bro.
If you think it's enough.
Yeah. All right.
Done. All right, mate. Let's bring it over here.
We'll just put it in one of these.
In the big one?
Yeah, put a little bit in here.
Put some on the grass.
Put a little bit more, a little bit more.
Hey, come on, guys. Okay, people. This place got cleaned today, guys. See? We got it all cleaned out. I didn't do it, but you know, we had people volunteer to do it. Oh shit. I'm just gonna check the vicinity, guys, to see what's going on around here, to see if there is any dogs or, because I haven't been around, guys. I haven't been around for a while. Nothing here. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. The boys have done a great job with just taking care of everything. This guy looks new. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. What's wrong with you? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. I don't know if a car has hit her or... Ooh, she's growling at me. Hey, don't growl at me. I'm trying to help you. Hey, come on. No. Okay. Okay. You know what? We're gonna have to put this one to sleep. We're gonna have to shoot a dart or something because it seems pretty aggressive, and I really don't want to get bitten at this stage. These other dogs do need me, so. Okay, we know that one's in the bush. All right. That's the first time I'm seeing that dog. Oh, what's this guy doing here? Hey, what are you doing here, you little man? What are you doing here? Okay, so our friends have cleaned this place, which is excellent. Done a great job. See that? Disinfected, cleaned. All right. All right. So we're back here doing some live videos. I haven't been really active, but my brother and all the other boys that I tagged in my last posts, they've been looking after these guys. There's a few new faces. This guy's new. This one was the one that got hit by a car. We took him out of surgery, still got the stitches. Is it this one or this one?
That one.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah. So this one's better. Marble is somewhere in the bushes, the three-legged warrior. This dog there we just bring now. She's a little bit frightened. We're gonna try to make her feel comfortable here. There's a lot of rivalry here, look, as you can see. See all the dogs up there. There's a lot of turf wars and territorial wars going on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a needle for that guy. That guy's got mange. That little black guy, as you can see, his fur is starting to fall out and it will end up being skin. For it. I'm going to do some for that big dog, that larger dog as well. That's our local police officers. So town centre police officers. Okay guys, so one other thing I'd like to say, thanks. Everyone that donates, this is the stuff that we get to get. This is like a luxury medication for these guys. We don't just feed them, we also do, you know, vitamins and medication and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to grab this guy now. Would you like to help me out, Ness?
Yeah.
Just hold it. Now hold his mouth. Shut his mouth so he doesn't bite me when I'm doing the video.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, just shut it like that. You'll be alright. That's it. Okay. Just gave him a little shot. We're going to continue this every day for about 4 days. And then he'll start. He's definitely a little alpha. No other dog. There's only one other dog that's got this as well. Actually, this guy's got it too. So, you see? Yeah, he's starting to lose hair. Come, yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. Look, guys. See here? Starting to lose hair here. So, just grab him, bro. I'm just going to change the tip of the needle.
Yeah.
So, like this.
Alright, anyway. Okay. Huh? Alright. You got him? Oh, you got him? Yeah. Alright. That's another needle, another shot. Hey. Yes? This dog here has been through hell and back. Is it a he? Yeah. What are you doing? Look at this guy, come around. What are you doing? Alright, this guy here has had this sickness like 4 or 5 times. The longest dog that has been at this shelter. So from day one, still here. This is the maximum size this guy grows. This one here, look guys, we got a C6. She's got a tag on her ear. She gave birth to like 10 puppies, they all died. These guys are trying to breastfeed out of her, look at that. Yeah, come here. Come on, you're next. Come on, bro. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Yeah. 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 Come on, bro. Watch out. Come on, bro. So I'm gonna give it to this guy orally. Orally is much more effective. On the little ones, it's a little bit more dangerous. Yes. You're a cutie, aren't ya? You're a cutie, aren't ya? Nah? Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Bro, come on. What's wrong with you? I'm trying to help you, bro. Yes. Huh?
Yeah. Just plastic. Piece of plastic.
Okay, mama. Hey, no, fighting. So these guys are probably punch on a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit of vitamin in their waters as well.
Shh. Hey, stop being a bully. Hey, no. 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 Hey, okay. A little bit of love.
Oh, no, put it in their water. We're gonna put a bit of Immunex in their water. This is just a very basic general multivitamin. It's good to have. There we go, that one's already drinking it. Okay, guys, we're pretty much done here. We'll probably end up doing another live video soon. We're gonna go to a few more places. If there's anything interesting, we'll do a live video. So stay tuned. Ciao.